Okay, so first thing we do is go to File, create a new part, press OK. I'm gonna go to Sketch, select the plane that you wanna put this sketch on. So I'm gonna grab rectangle, place it in there, and this top line is going to be 7 inches. This one here is going to be 5 inches. All right. And I wanna extrude this. I go to Features, Extruded Boss, and I wanna extrude this by 5 in there. Next, go to Sketch again. Sketch, select the face where you wanna put the next one. I wanna put a rectangle in there. I'm gonna put it right at this corner. Bring it down. And I actually want this to be 3 by 5. So 3 inches by 5 inches. And I'm gonna go back to features and I wanna cut this entire thing, which it does. Okay, check mark. Now I wanna put this rectangle in there, which is the 3 by 1. So I'm gonna go to sketch, select the face where you wanna put it. Go back to sketch, select rectangle, put it right at the edge, and then again go back and grab your dimensions. This here is going to be 3 inches, and this is going to be 1. I do want this to be 2 inches away from here, just because the entire thing it's 5. I'm gonna go back to features and actually want to cut this guy. Okay, so that one's done. Now I'm gonna go into this section here. I'm gonna go to sketch, select this face, sketch. Make sure you grab the rectangle in there. Go back and grab the dimensions in there. And this is 1 inch by 3 inches. And I actually want this to be 1 inch away from this spot right there. So select those 2 lines. Go back to features and then cut it. So extrude the cut. And that's the end of this one. So you should get this final product right there. Okay.